Hi everybody, Zoe here. When I went to the dollar store, we found this bag that says unicorn dolls. Really cute little dolls, so I had to see what it was. And some of them have wings, some of them don't. They have horns and ears, and that rainbow one is super cute. I think she's glittery. Okay, so I'm just going to cut open this bag and see what we've got. Okay, now I've cut it open. Let's take out the unicorn doll. Woohoo! We've got the rainbow one! Okay, I felt the bag. You don't really get that lucky. Yeah, she's super cute and she is glittery. Now here's the rest of my collection. I have Stella, Megan, Greta, Rainbow Kate, Sugar, Candy, and Jessie. I did not get Violet. She's the only one I need to get to finish my collection. Ugh! Oh well. So we're going to draw Rainbow Kate. I hope you have a marker and a piece of paper so you can follow along with me. So first we're going to draw her head. And it's like a upside down rainbow line. Next we're gonna make her mouth, which is like a really small upside down rainbow line. So just draw that towards the bottom and in the center. Okay, next we're going to draw her eyes. Draw a circle off to the side of her face. Do this on both sides. And if I'm going too fast, you can always pause the video. Next, we're going to make the highlights. The first two highlights kind of point to her nose. But we haven't drawn her nose yet. You'll see. So draw a big one in the corner, and then draw a little one that points to where her nose would be. And then another one in the opposite corner, the opposite bottom corner. Now draw a C shape on the side, the circle to be the white of her eye. Now we're going to draw her bangs. So you make a straight line above her eye. You make a straight line that goes to about the middle of her eye, and then make an A shape. Well, you can do this as many times as you want. I'm going to go with 3 A shapes. Next, to finish her bangs, I'm going to make a big rainbow line about the size of what we did for her head. Make sure there's still room on your paper to draw her ears, horn, and the rest of her hair. We're going to make triangles for her ears and horn. And then a slightly larger one for her horn. Now we gotta add stripes 2 little lines will make 3 stripes. And now we're going to draw the rest. Now we're going to draw more of her hair. So make a line that's coming through her ear, through her horn, and out the other ear. Imagine like it's going behind them. Then extend the hair down a little, but don't finish drawing the hair yet because we need to make her body first. Make 2 short lines for her neck. Make 2 short lines under her chin for her neck. And then make a curved line for her collar. And then make 2 curved lines out from that to make her shoulders. Make diagonal lines coming down from that for her sleeves. Now finishing her body, we're going to make a curved line that comes down right next to the sleeves, a little above them, and then a line across to make her shirt. Now we're going to draw her arms, make a line, make straight lines for her arms, then make a U shape going out. From there, don't connect it to her body. We need to leave room for her thumb. So make another U shape for her thumb. And that finishes her arms. Now let's get back to finishing her shirt. She has a rainbow on her shirt, so we're going to make some lines to make the stripes. So make rainbow lines. Because she has 4 stripes on her rainbow. On her rainbow, it has 4 stripes. So let's make those 4 stripes. And now to make clouds, you just make lots of little connecting rainbow lines. Like that, and then just do the same thing on the bottom for the clouds. And then do the same thing on the other side. Now for her skirt, make 2 lines going out from her body. And then make a wavy line connecting the bottom of her skirt. Her skirt has more than 1 layer, so a short line down and then continue the same waviness. And then a line up. Make a layer and then do the same thing again. Now to draw her legs. Make 2 curved lines going in a little bit. That makes her ankle and leg. Now draw 2 squashed ovals for her shoes or feet. And do it on both sides. Now we can go back to her hair. So draw a line, imagine it going behind her body and out the other side, and then make a V shape like that. Now we're going to draw the lines in her hair, the stripes, because she's a rainbow doll. So we're going to draw a few stripes. Draw 4 lines. Now draw 2 little stripes by her horn. The other stripes are behind her ears, so we don't need to draw them. But just gonna draw some stripes in her hair. I forgot her eyelashes, so use a black colored pencil to draw her eyelashes. 3 lines coming out from the side of her eye. Okay, now it's time to color. Okay, now we're done. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell so you know when we put out our next video.